Hi, my name is Mihailo Burtovy. I'm realtor here in south of Miami Beach. I help people to buy, sell and rent any kind of property. And today we are in very special place, and this is Gonzalo. He will introduce this beautiful location and then we can show you around, okay?
Thank you. Well, welcome. And this is the Courts property in South Beach. And we are standing today in the main course swimming pool area. The property is all styled into the Mediterranean look. It's definitely the property with the most home feel and sense out of south of 5th. South of 5th meaning being 5th Street, the limits of the neighborhood. With beautiful surroundings next to the pier and to the South Point Park. So definitely a very family, easy living and away from the heavy dynamics of the main area of South Beach in Ocean Drive. So it gives you a possibility to be close to the action and retire at ease and leisure in the property. The Courts, it's located again on 1st and Alton. And this view, it's definitely the main course pool with very relaxing amenities and definitely very well maintained and sustained.
Thank you. So let's go on to see around.
Let's go. KitchenAid appliances, brand new washer and dryer in the pantry area, the community room. Putting on very good space of cabinetry. Flow open, very light and bright. You walk into your main living space, dining, and fully renovated kitchen on this side with state-of-the-art appliances, all brand new, have never been used, and you have again a very broad, easy layout to assemble to your own taste and likes. Two main supermarkets area and shops 3 blocks away. You have grade 8 schools just a block away from the property here as well. It's pre-K to 7th grade or 8th grade. So definitely that also provides a nice environment for developing young families and settling in South Beach. And you have again a very broad, easy layout to assemble to your own taste and likes. We have a walk-in closet, very big size, full walk-in. You have a second room, which is on the left side of the property or the unit. You have closet and full bath as well. See the view here, it's all styled in the same Mediterranean look. So it's definitely a very consistent property in terms of how it's being kept and managed. So we have the gym on this side that has been just updated and has full equipment in terms of aerobics and weights. sauna as well, so you give yourself a 5-star amenity. Parking spaces, tandems in 2 cars. So on the other side is this community room, so you have extra space aside from your unit to entertain and to have people come in to celebrate either parties or festivities. Full kitchen, bathroom in the back, and of course sitting area and lounge area for being able to entertain, or a workspace away from home. And then of course it's free and always open to people, residents, so that they can have a easy space here or lounge to be able to concentrate. So this is the second pool area, more quiet and less traffic, a little more adult, so that you have a combination of a main pool with a lot more traffic, and it's this one more relaxed, and also a jacuzzi in the back. So again, all the amenities proper of a about 5 to 7 minute stroll to South Point Park. You have the South Beach Pier and Yacht Club across the street. So the property has just undergone an assessment. Buildings were painted, some fixings in terms of pavement and areas in the parking lot, and also the overhauling of the elevators, each building.
Yes. So thank you so much for showing us such a beautiful.
It's been a pleasure to show you around. Hopefully you like Unit 535 at the Courts in South Beach. And anything you think you need to address and ask us, please contact Mehala or me, and we'll be happy to assist you. Hopefully we can develop an offer and push it through with a very motivated seller. So looking forward to it.
Or if you have any questions or concern, or just you need any advice about moving to Miami area, reach us, call on this phone number you can see on the screen, and we can help you out. Thank you for watching this video, and by the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel,